Today I'm going to be making plantain porridge, and it's going to be green plantain, unripe plantain porridge. Very nutritious, it's healthy, it's not a lot of carbs because it's not the ripe one that I'm making. So this is green. Everything here is green. It's already washed, ready for processing. I'll be making this plantain porridge with very simple ingredients. I have crayfish here. My crayfish, I'm going to blend it. I have dry fish, asa. This fish is called asa. That is the protein that I'm using for this recipe. Then I have my meat stock. So I got this meat stock from cow leg, beef feet. I use my cow leg from Nkwobi, so this is the meat stock. Instead of wasting it, I'm just going to use a little bit of it to give flavor to my plantain porridge. Here I have cut spinach frozen. I cut it and put it in the freezer for easy access. Then my salt, I'm using sea salt. My onion, my habanero pepper for flavor and spice. And I have my knock seasoning cube, and I have the Maggi crayfish. And I'll be using just a half spoon of the salt because I already have the seasoning cube. And that is it. It doesn't require much ingredients, but you're gonna love it at the end of the day. Okay, I'll start cutting right now.
Makana pumoni mo yeme Kwamaka if you see me call me Onyibo Makana pumoni mo yeme Kwamaka anywhere I enter they call me Onyibo Makana pumoni mo yeme Kwamaka all over the world they call me Onyibo Makana pumoni mo ndị Igbo na-edozi obodo, ndị Igbo na-emepe obodo, ndị Igbo na-ahazi obodo, ndị Igbo na-eme ọfụma, ndị Igbo nọ n'ime afịa, ndị Igbo na diaspora, ndị Igbo na entertainment, ndị Igbo na gọọmenti. Anyị na-eme ife siri ike, anyị na-eme ife kalaka. Anywhere you enter we dey there. I walk I never see beautiful people. If you them upon the money, Makana money, if you see me call me Makana money, anywhere I enter they call me Onyibo. Makana pumonibo yeme Kwamaka all over the world they call me Onyibo. Makana pumonibo yeme Kwamaka echebe na nambara Nankeme kofo Osianyi jidofo Okwokolanye Aichichewe nunewi Nanke nosi group of companies Industrialist iwoje monu Echebe nunu kofia Ateze lupo Osianyi jisike Okwokolanye Aichichewe nenugu Eba muru flavor Onye wundi iwoje monu I walk I never see beautiful people. If you them upon the money, Makana pumonibo yeme Kwamaka. If you see me call me Onyibo Makana pumonibo